Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Fatin Amalin. So today I'm going to present inheritance and polymorphism. So what is inheritance and polymorphism? Inheritance enables new objects to take on the properties of existing objects. A class that is used as the basis for inheritance is called a superclass or base class, while a class that inherits from the superclass is called a subclass or derived class. Polymorphism refers to the ability to associate many meanings to one method name by means of a special mechanisms known as late binding or dynamic binding. So we will go through the program, which in this program I have four class, which is laundry service class, wet clean class, dry clean class, and laundry service main class. So and here laundry service is the superclass, while wet clean and dry clean is the subclass to the laundry service class, while laundry service main is the main class of this program. So we will go through the coding. Okay. In the laundry service class, we type public abstract class laundry service, public abstract class laundry service. The abstract classes are designed to be used only as a base class or defined into two class. So as usual, we declare the variable, and we declare also the default and the normal constructor, and the setter, and also the getter, and the toString, and also the processor. For this, the processor is the amount due. We're going to calculate the amount due. So let's proceed to the next class, which is wet clean, and also the subclass to the laundry service. So we type public class wet clean extends laundry service, which extends means that we want to inherit the member of any other class. So for wet clean, it wants to inherit the member from the laundry service class, which is the superclass of this program. Okay, so we declare the variable, and then we declare the default constructor, but for this we have super, which means that super is a reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. So like this, super it will refer to the laundry service that we have, the members to the laundry service that we have declared in the laundry service class. So same goes to normal constructor and also the setter. As for the toString, it will also use the super. And for the calculation for wet clean is different from the dry clean calculation. So here was the calculation for the wet clean. Okay, so move to the next class, dry clean class, which is also the subclass to the laundry service. We type public class dry clean extend laundry service, and then we declare the variable, and also we declare the normal default setter, getter, and toString, same as the wet clean, which will contain the super also. And then for the calculation, it is different from the wet clean. So here was the calculation for the dry clean. So move to the last class, which is the main class of this program. First of all, it will ask the user to enter the number of customer. So we declare the array for the laundry service, and then for the first looping, we ask the customer to enter their name, and then enter the code whether they want to do wet clean or dry clean. If the customer choose code 1, which is wet clean, it will enter the type. whether it is closed or others. And then it will enter the wait. Okay, if the customer choose code 2, it is dry clean, which it asks customer to enter the quantity. Okay, and then from here it will calculate the amount due for each of the customer. And the question asks us to display all the customers' bill. So here is it. In the form of looping, we display all the customer names and the amount due that they have to pay. Okay. So, the next is to display the total amount due for wet cleaning under the closed category. So we do the looping, and then we do the selection if L service I instead of wet clean. Instance of is the is also known as type of comparison operator because it compares the instance with type. So and here we use the selection if L service I instead of wet clean, and then in the selection we have selection again to compare the close. So from there we can calculate the total amount for the wet cleaning under closed category, and then we display the total amount due outside of the looping. And the last one is to display the total amount received for wet cleaning and dry cleaning service. So we use looping, and then in the looping we use selection also, where the selection is if L service I instance of wet clean, then it will calculate the total amount for the wet clean, and then if again instead of dry clean, it will calculate the total amount for the dry clean. So then it will display the total amount received for wet clean and dry clean. So let's try to run the program. So we enter the number of customer 5, enter the customer name, enter the code, and enter the types, weight, and then customer to name. Also we choose wet clean and others, and enter the weight. For the customer tree, we enter the name, and then we try the code dry clean. So we ask to enter the quantity. So for the fourth customer, we enter the name, okay, we enter the code, it's dry clean also, we enter the quantity, and for the last one, okay, we enter dry wet clean code 1, and then we choose the close, and we enter the weight. Okay, so from here it will display all the customers' bills with their name and the amount due for each of the customers. Okay, it also will display the total amount due for wet cleaning under closed category, and the total amount received for wet and dry cleaning service. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.